The person with a heart without a mind is miserable, just as the person with a heart without a mind. Do not let the hour of dispute destroy years of affection. The decision made by dignity is right, even if it hurts you. Sanity of mind and self-respect give you dignity at its highest level. Friendship with the evil one will make you evil without your consent. When you don't want to be interesting, you become free. Live as if you were to die tomorrow, and learn as if you were to live forever. There is no good to say but with the work. Friendship is a masterpiece whose value increases with time. Brave is the one who does not repeat the mistake, and is not the one who admits it. Be brave, and if you are not, pretend it is. Be kind and forgive those who betrayed you, but do not be stupid and trust them again. Helping people makes life more delicious. Your dignity is your second soul, so preserve it so that you do not die twice. Maintaining what you love starts with not talking too much about it. Give people a second chance, but don't give them a third. An arrogant person is like a bird. The higher he rises in the sky, the smaller he becomes in people. Don't blame others for disappointing you. Blame yourself for expecting too much from them. The greatest things in the world cannot be bought with money. Don't marry a woman hoping she will change. One does not realize the truly important moments in one's life, only when it is too late. Don't tell your mother what makes you sad, because she will be as sad as you are. Constant rest later requires a little fatigue now. No matter how pure your intention is, remember that you will never escape people's bad thoughts. A good reputation, better than gold. Never lie to someone who trusted you, and never trust someone who lied to you. If you are not a light for yourself, all the lights of the city will not help you. What comes easy does not last long, and what lasts long does not come easy. The young man walks faster than the old, but only the old know the way. Summer is the beginning of winter, darkness is the beginning of light, and failure is the beginning of success. Don't judge people by their appearance. If the members of the herd unite, the lion sleeps hungry. Fear does not prevent death, it prevents life. Don't allow anyone to underestimate you. Enjoy your day, yesterday is over, and tomorrow may never come. Life is a school. Try to learn something new from it every day. When life gives you a reason to despair, give it 1,000 reasons to continue. You always learn more when you fail, not when you succeed. Everything that money buys is not valuable. Whoever tries to hold the candle by its flame burns his hand.